Solitaire, Counter-Strike, Snake, how casual gaming could be a huge Bitcoin on-ramp. Gaming companies Zebedee and THNDR are taking advantage of the Lightning Network, atop Bitcoin, to entertain and onboard gamers into Bitcoin. News: you can now play Solitaire, Snake and even Counter-Strike to earn Satoshis, tiny fractions of Bitcoin, BTC. Cointelegraph spoke to executives at THNDR Games, a play-to-earn, P2E, company built around Bitcoin, and Zebedee, a gaming platform that will transform gaming with the power of Bitcoin. Thanks to the Lightning Network, Lane, a Layer 2 payment solution built on top of Bitcoin, instant microtransactions of sats can pay out to gamers across the globe quickly. This genuinely fixes a need in gaming, Ben Cousins, Chief Strategy Officer at Zebedee, told Cointelegraph. Zebedee offers Bitcoin and Lane support for popular games such as Counter-Strike, Go. They promote casual gaming and the creation of inviting environments that could bring people into Bitcoin in a way that surprises them, Cousins explained. For THNDR, which released a Solitaire-style mobile game on Monday, the rollout of popular, casual gaming types is also about onboarding people into Bitcoin. They actively target gamers in emerging markets as well as female audiences. Desiree Decushion, CEO and co-founder of THNDR Games, shared some statistics with Cointelegraph during a call. 60% of all women worldwide play games, and 60% of these women play mobile games every day. On top of that, the gaming industry is bigger than the movie industry. 2.6 billion people worldwide play games, and within that follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.